So today we are looking at a Murray lawn tractor, 13 horsepower engine. It's got a 38-inch deck that is not currently on it. Let's take a look at the model number. There's the model number. Looks like from 2004. So just a real basic lawn tractor, probably picked up from Walmart or some big box store somewhere. Powered by a 13 horsepower Briggs & Stratton overhead valve engine. There it is, pretty basic.